It's like, I gotta go get some more gas.
There he is, the man. Jimmy, what's up, baby? Man, we out here about to get that burn. Got to get it burning, get this nitro going, baby. It's been a minute on the channel since you've seen some nitro. Track been closed. We about to get it in. So we're gonna do a little walk around here. We got a couple of celebrities out here today. And you know, we're gonna see what's going on, man. Y'all hold tight. Man, look who I done found crawled up out of a crack from Philly.
Out of crack, made from the underground to the depths. Where they try to keep me, hold me down, but they can't. They can't keep me brother down.
Got Mr. Rajay 111 out here in Scope, young.
Out here, finally we back out this thing.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's been like a year almost, young.
Been that long?
Been like a year.
Yeah. Been longer than that.
Been out there running everything else, man.
We all used to be out.
Look at all look at all this, man. We ain't seen nothing like this in a minute. Everybody out here, Joe.
Yeah.
Got Tony.
Trailers down, everything.
And if it rains anymore, we're gonna take the kayaks and race around.
We're gonna take a. Oh, there go Mike.
I said, if it rains anymore, we're gonna take the kayaks and race around the track.
Yeah, we definitely got about that. Need to see somebody start cooking out on the grill. Hey, Twan, go get on that grill, y'all.
I was running on eco mode.
I thought we was
Or the mic out here.
Yeah, we all out here back again.
Yo, back again, man. Let's see if we can keep this up.
It's been a while.
It's been a long while.
We ain't danced in a minute. Nope.
Oh, we gonna see some dancing now, cause we about to go down this track. I'm about to go down this track, y'all. I'll be right back, y'all.
That thing good.
See what's going on down here, man. On this new layout up here at Scope. Alright, so as you can see, man, we out here. You know what I mean? Like Rajay 111, Motor Mike. I gotta get all the rest of the cats, but they out here, man. Twan, everybody, man. Hold on, here's the man of the app. Jimmy, yo, I got you on my channel right now. I just want to say thank you for allowing us to run on your joint.
Great, man.
I appreciate it. So, I know you gonna tell me about this new track, man. I mean, I know it's been you've been out of commission for like almost what, a year?
Probably about a year, yeah.
Yeah, and this thing is beautiful.
Like 60 plus tons of dirt. And
60 plus tons.
And just started making things happen, slow, sure, and
well, like I said, man,
everything's pretty big. There's gonna be some smaller stuff added in later on.
Okay.
Right now, it's just trial stuff. Everything you can make everything. It's not easy.
we're gonna do a little track walk because I was out here with Mike a little bit earlier, and he was showing me like, yeah, you can't be full throttle here, right, just because it looked like it's a big jump and all that. So we're gonna do a little track walk. But like I said, anybody out there that wants to come out here, how do they go about you know, getting in contact with you?
Well, you'd have to go and try search on Facebook Scope Creep RC Raceway.
Okay.
And then you want any other information, you'd have to PM me to get the address to get here.
Okay.
Same as before. And
yep.
Not going to be any racing. No race program. This is just a
family
track.
Bash track. Nice just track to be on.
Just to have everybody come out and enjoy and have a good time.
And bet. So like I said, I got a lot of people that ask me questions about the track. You know, like how do I get there? How do I get there? I always tell them like, look, you know, message you on Facebook. So now they know you heard it from the man.
Yep.
You know, I mean, if you want to come out to this beautiful track, which we're about to walk in a second, you know, just hit them up.
And
all right.
It's only on Sundays, but it's Saturday and Sunday for right now.
Yep.
Until things come together, and then there'll be made another post about probably going to do some track stuff later on in a few weeks or so.
Cool.
Add a few things.
All right, man. Well, let's go back to doing your thing, getting this track nice and clean, and you know what I mean. And we'll get back to you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it again, Mike. So, man, look at this track, man. This thing is beautiful. Look at this jump over here, yo. Look at this jump, man. Back here in this corner, yo. They said that thing is 28 feet. 28 feet across. Off camber and everything. Goodness. We got one there. And then we got another one over here. So this is the path of the race. So you come over. Had that jump there. Come across. We got a little 90 up here. We come across this back end. As you can see, come across here. Jump around, nice 180. Then we coming up. And then we got this nice jump here now. From what I hear, it's not a full throttle jump. This is definitely something that you want to finesse right here. Because if you miss, you're going to hit that plywood right there and you're going to crush your car up. It's going to be you're going to be upset. So this is going to be something that I'm going to have to practice too. Because this is a little something. So I can't wait till the guys get out here. But right now I'm waiting for the track to dry out a little bit. It rained early this morning. So, you know, we just out here. But as you can see, you come up, got a little off camber drop. See if I can get a little closer to that. Plenty of parking out here, guys. You know what I mean? So you come up this little jump here, got a little tabletop, and then we drop down. A little off camber drop. He likes these off camber drops like on the back end of the driver's stand. It always messes me up, that's for sure. But you come around, go a little embankment, go it down, jump on a little top of another jump. But you gotta watch your speed. You know what I mean? Because if you hit that thing wrong, you won't have enough speed to hit that second one that has that 28-foot jump. So let's go back over there. All right, so there's that jump, 28-foot jump. Drop down, come around. Right here is nice and packed. Got a hard 180 to get you back out of that turn. Like I said, that soil is nice and packed over here. And you come across, got a little embankment, come down, come through the overhead jump, and then you're back on it again. So this is gonna be a little something, man. I mean, a little something for real, yo. Like I said, shout outs to you, Jimmy, for setting this up for us guys, man. I'm ready to get it in though. Let's do it, man. Nice one, nice one, nice one. Got more battle on this jump, getting it in. Let's see how you can take this first jump as he comes around. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Like he perfected that. Coming around. See how he does this one. Oh, 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 I see you. I see you. Yeah, I am. So after that jump, I tore my joint up. Looks like the shock shaft is completely snapped. Looks like the camber link popped off. So that's it for Truggy today. Look at that joint. That's from that first jump. First jump.
Rough.
Yeah, and I got it on tape over there, so. Yeah, it ain't supposed to look like that. Man, these cars look like they getting around this track so they get to these jumps. It's a wrap when they hit the jump. Oh! Where you at? That's how you do it right there. Yo, so what's up, guys? Alright, so we're driving home from Scope Creek, stuck in this Baltimore, Washington Parkway traffic. Yo, that track is definitely some technical stuff going on. It's going to take a lot of practice to get that track down. Don't think you're going to come there and run with no problems. I had some issues out there along with many people. I think I broke a shock shaft, at least off the initial inspection. I definitely broke a shock shaft on my Truggy, and I think I burnt up the throttle servo on the Buggy, the XB8, I'm sorry, by going in the water on that back jump before that big, large 28-foot jump. So, needless to say, it's gonna take some practice on to get this down and mastered. I talked to Jimmy. Jimmy said he's gonna make a couple changes and a couple additions to the track still, so it's still evolving. You know what I mean? It's still evolving. The track is a beautiful track. It's packing down. It's getting run in by all these racers today. Like I said, shout out to everybody that came out. You know what I mean? Art, Mo, Motor Mike, Rajay 111, Antoine, Tony. You know, everybody out there, man. Bishop even came through. Bishop came through. He's maybe looking into getting a Nitro now. But that track is serious, man. I mean, like I said, everybody was out there breaking stuff, yo. So get your parts together. Message up Jimmy so you can you know, get on in there. You know, come on through and come on down, man. You know, have fun. All right. So let me fight this traffic, and I'll catch y'all later, man. It's your boy Lance over here, Crucial RC, huh? All right. Out.